In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer data from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5 Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and transfer your data over from a PlayStation 4 save to a PlayStation 5 one. So if you got the free upgrade where you are able to play this game on new-gen consoles, you might be curious on how to safely transfer your data so you don't lose it. The first thing to do is to ensure that cloud storage is enabled. Cloud storage is the safest way possible to transfer your data because if something fails, you will have a cloud save available to use that as a backup, and you will be able to do it by going over to Settings, Application Saved Data Management, and usually you will find the option to upload your data to online storage. Just make sure that you uploaded all of your save from the PlayStation 4 version of Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 into the cloud. Now, on the PlayStation 5 console, what's usually going to happen is that when you open the game, you are going to get a message similar to this one. Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2 saved data could not be found. Do you want to create new saved data? And you don't have to worry, just select Yes here. After you choose Yes from this option, there will be another question that appears, and it is going to tell you to cancel saving of saved data. In here, if this appears, just select Yes once more. After you choose Yes twice, what's going to happen is that the saved data from the PlayStation 4 will be detected, so a message like this one will appear. Saved data from the PlayStation 4 version of the game has been found. Start the game using the data carried over, so all that you have to do now is tap Yes once again. So if you see the first message talking about creating new saved data, don't worry, you can safely choose Yes. And remember that if anything goes wrong, you will still have the cloud backup to rely on. So all that you have to do is open the PlayStation 5 version of the game, and as long as your data is in the cloud and you are using the same PSN account, the data is going to be automatically found. If this does not work, you can try manually downloading both versions of the game, so the PlayStation 4 version and the PlayStation 5 version, on the new gen console, trying it once again, and if all else fails, you will have to manually transfer over the data with an external storage drive. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer data from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5 Dragon Ball Xenoverse 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.